What's up, guys? Sam Acevedo here. This is going to be the second attempt, all right, two boxes here to install the Lux Angel Eyes. All right, so at first I tried the Lux E90 LCI Halogen V3s, which I failed in doing. I burnt them out. So then I purchased the V4s, all right, and I made sure to grab the instructions. All right, so first things first, we're gonna jack the car, take the bumper off, take the lights out, and then I'm gonna bring the lights to the table, work on it real quick, and then put it back. Should be a quick install. I'd rather remove the bumper and the headlights, you know, rather than going under the car and squeezing my hand in the fender well. That's annoying. I'd rather spend, you know, the extra minutes just to remove it. Make it easier on myself. All right, so let's remove that bumper, take the headlights out. All right, so I jacked up the car. I'm gonna remove the bumper just to make it easy on myself. I'm not necessarily gonna show you how to remove the bumper. I have another video on that, so if you want to check that out, put that right here. So I'm going to remove the bumper. I got my friend Bailey. Say hi, Bailey. What's up, Bailey? So we're going to remove the bumper, take the headlights out, and then I'll meet you at the table. Okay, so here's the headlight off the car. Okay, so let's start doing this. It's this guy here. So we're gonna remove this. We're gonna remove this guy here. See, and this is where we plug in the new light. All right, but let's take this guy out. All right, now this twists off, I believe. There you go. So now that that's out of the way, oh. So here it is. Let me move this out of the way. This is what we get. So there's the LEDs. All right, so we're gonna take these two here, and according to the directions, please do not just stick it in there and see if it works. You have a 50-50 chance of it working. You also have a 50-50 chance of it not working, and you having to buy the entire thing over again. So let's follow directions. So according to this, the black wire is on the left if you position the harness in this orientation, and the red is on the right. So black on the left, red on the right. We're gonna put them in its place. I'm gonna use a little bit of electrical tape just to hold it, and then we'll bolt it up. We're gonna position this here. We're gonna bolt it up. right, in this position here with the angles at the top, we're going to put the black on the left and the red on the right. If this doesn't work following the directions, let me tell you, I'm gonna be pissed. All right, so what we're gonna do is we'll take it over to the car, we'll plug in the harness, and then see if it works and it doesn't burn up on me. Here we go. So I'm gonna leave it open for now. I'm not gonna put the cover on, just in case. Take the harness and then just plug it in here. That's a quick clip. That's in. I'm gonna just set it in place. Okay. Now I'm gonna turn it on. We got lights! Finally! And they're not burning on me. Looks good. Okay, now that I know it works, take it back out or just remove it from its place, put the cover back on, then bolt it right back up. I'm gonna do the other side, put the bumper on, and I think we're good, finally. Hopefully I don't throw any codes, but we'll see. Lights are in. 09 halogen on an 06. Got the halos on. All the lights work, fogs work. I have no codes inside. I think they came out pretty good. They came out pretty clean. They're definitely not super bright at night, the halogen bulb. I'd rather have HIDs. Unfortunately, I don't want to deal with the codes. I think the overall installation was pretty straightforward. Just swap the old with the new, as long as they're halogen, the halogen version. In my case, my used set came with a burnt set of halos, so I upgraded that to the Lux Angel Eyes version 4. That's a direct swap in, super easy. I've taken this bumper off 3 or 4 times now, so you know you can probably do the entire thing within half hour to 40 minutes without any issues. So for now, I think we're good for the front end. The bumper needs a little work. I might get a lip or even convert it to the M Sport. But I think for now, we'll just focus on some lighting. I have another video coming up, changing the side markers, and then also the trunk lights. Hopefully I got the right parts for that. So that'll do it for this video. Stay tuned for the side markers, the back lights, and a couple other goodies I got going on with this car. Also, I have the 335 behind me. I'm going to post some videos on that. And then also that's 2000. Like this video, subscribe. I'll check you guys out in the next one.